taking my Royal Enfield Himalayan off-road for the second time. I'm going to show you what I did to get it off-road ready, not too much. So here's all the parts I took off. Took off my tall windshield, my panniers, the foot peg, these off. I got my boots on, which you can see, so I want a little more room. You need a 10mm bolt or wrench to loosen these. And we'll take them off. Because I'm wearing boots. Want a little more room and stand up. Put the small windshield on. And we'll get going. Okay, motovlog adventure. Off-road. Himalayan. Time to go. I'll kit it up. Let's go. Good thing I was wearing my boots. Landed right on them. Slippery as hell. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Alright. Come on, Himalayan. Alright. Oh. Woo! and there goes the kickstand down automatically. Uh-oh. Kickstand broke. Time to take it off. Well, I found out what caused me to fall, not what I thought. Thought it was slippery. But I went over a bump and took my spring from my kickstand. So my kickstand was down and I hit it. I'll show you in a bit. Kind of looking for it right now. I mean my spring. Lucky day. Let me go throw that back on and see if I can fix the issue. Well, here goes off-roading adventure number 2. I'll show you. Stand by. The little nub that holds the spring broke off. So there's going to be my fix for now. My lone bungee. The nub, excuse me. The nub broke off right under there. Tripod stayed, kickstand stayed. I do smell a little bit funky smell, like something burning a little bit. I don't see anything. Maybe just something happened to the exhaust and burning off the exhaust. We'll do an inspection and go from there.